Hi, this is Dr. Hoyle here, Marketing 340, and these students are really practicing prospecting and phone calling, things that you can't really replicate out of the text. So they're in a boardroom setting here. We got some agents from State Farm. We've got the regional director, and that's what they're practicing. They got actual people they're calling. They're trying to get quotes. So that's the nature of the process. They're having some fun with it, it looks like.
My name is Josh Harris. I'm a sales leader with State Farm Insurance. I was here today partnering with Dr. Hoyle's 340 marketing class in an effort to give students real life experience in phone skills and prospecting. We chose to partner with CMU because the level of talent, ambition, skill is just unmatched in the area, and we want to give students a taste, a resume builder, a skill set in what it's like to prospect real customers, and we had some people here help them with that today. They did a phenomenal job. Extremely proud, extremely happy to be here at CMU. Anything we can do to give back to the community in Central is fantastic, and obviously State Farm wants to make sure that we're seen as a career pathway for talented young folks.
So projects like this are some of the real life projects we do in the sales program that connect the theory with application. So if you're interested, give it a try.